Hello my sweet friends, welcome back to my craft room. Today I'm going to show you how to put this pick that I picked up from Hobby Lobby onto this willow wreath base. It's going to be a quickie. Get excited. Okay friends, this is a pick that I picked up from Hobby Lobby and it was $15.99, but I got it for 40% off. So the first thing I want to do is I want to play with the flowers. So I'm going to bring some down, like this long one over here, this long one here, maybe one of those berries, bring that around and down. So what I want to do is I'm going to attach this to a willow wreath base. But before I do that, I'm going to make this pick come alive. So I am literally going to touch every single thing on this pick. Now, you can see there's like a little bit of a gap here, and I'm going to put a bow right there. Put this pick right there, and then I'm going to play with it once I get it on there. So the first thing I want to do is make my bow. I have these two ribbons right here. I'm just going to drop it to the floor, and I'm going to make a handheld bow. So I'm going to make my first loop, leave my tail a little bit long. I'm going to pinch this, twist, because I want the good side facing out, and I want to do 3 loops of this. So I'm going to kind of measure, make sure that the loops are the same size, and they're not, so I'm going to bring that out a little bit. Twist again, 1 more loop, twist, and I'm going to trim this off. Now I'm going to start with the yellow. I'm going to make a tail going up. I'm going to twist it, make a loop, and I'm only going to do 2 loops of this. I'm going to kind of pinch it in the middle, twist, make another loop, bring it back down. I'm going to trim this off. It's a very simple bow to make. I'm still holding this in between my index finger and my thumb. Now I want to put this on here. So I need some floral wire. I have somewhere. This is my floral wire. I'm going to go in between where my thumb and my index finger are, and I'm going to wrap this. You know what? I'm going to bring these berries down here. I'm going to wrap this around the pick. So bring this around, making sure I'm not squashing anything on the actual floral pick. Get it as tight as I can, and then twist it. All right, now that I have that on there, this is my willow base. You could go with a bigger one. I do have a, this is just a small, you know what? That's okay. We'll use this. So I want this stem gone. So I need my cutters for this. These are my knives. Cut this down. So here's my wires here on the back. I'm going to kind of bend this. All right. This is going to be a wild one. Now I'm going to take my wires, my cloth covered wire, and I'm going to put it on the willow base. Twist that off in the back. Now I want another piece of wire up here to hold it in place because it is a smaller wreath base and this is rather heavy. You could actually cut this. I'm not going to. And I'm going to find a spot. So this big stem right here, the thickest part. Twist it off. Trimming that off. I didn't even show you, but I'm just trying it off. Trim that. And that's it. That is all there is to it. You could definitely add more flowers if you wanted to, or some more ribbons. It's completely up to you. I am going to trim up these ribbon tails. I'm going to dovetail them, fold it on its side, fold it on itself, and then cut it aslant. Play with your ribbons a little bit. Just do that one. That didn't work out. There's that. This kind of going up behind it, behind the big daisy here. This one's shooting down. You could bend this to go around. You could add more wire if you wanted to. I don't know, I kind of like it hanging down, along with this one. This one's out in left field here. That's fine. Friends, that's it. I picked up a pick from Hobby Lobby in a willow base, and I attached it with some ribbons. That's all there is to this. Friends, this is the completed project. Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video. I'm going to put it on the door so you can see it a little bit better, and make sure to give it a like and a follow for more.